Scenario 1. Hi Ellie, it's Sophia. I want to talk about the meeting. I don't think it went very well, and I'm concerned about your level of preparation. You don't seem to care about this project. Someone on the team said you're quiet quitting. I need you to work harder, pay better attention, and care more. Hello? Oh, hi there, Sophia. Okay. But this conversation is a missed opportunity. When done well, difficult conversations can connect people, help someone improve, and make the team better. When done badly, or not done at all, the situation is often made worse. Here, Sophia made it worse. How is that? What damage might this conversation have caused?